y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video is another Is It Worth It clothing subscription box. As you can tell by the title, we are talking about Fashom. Now, I was just looking at the app and I've done probably, I think like 17 or 19 orders with Fashom. So it's safe to say that I do like Fashom. It's also one of the more affordable clothing subscription boxes that I am subscribed to. What I like about these clothing subscription boxes is that a stylist picks things that they think would look good on you, and a lot of times, or half the time I guess, it's items that maybe I wouldn't pick for myself, and then about half of those times I end up really liking it. So I think that's why I continue to do these clothing subscription boxes. They do give you discounts too based on the number of items that you choose to keep. You also get your styling fee credited toward that purchase as well. So there's definitely incentives to getting the clothing subscription box versus ordering online and paying shipping per item and that sort of thing. But that is all up to you. It's what you choose to do with your money because we work hard for our money. So let's get into the try on. The first thing I want to talk about is a maxi style V-neck flutter sleeve dress. It is as cute as it sounds, I promise. So the brand is Zenobia. I know I've tried that brand before in this box, I'm pretty sure. It's in a size 3X. I like the fabric on this. It's more of like a breathable fabric. It does have a bit of elastic under the bust, which kind of cinches everything in, and I think that just looks the best on my body type. It does come with this black and white belt, like tie belt. I don't know if I like the pattern on the belt. I like the idea of the belt. So I would probably just use plain black if I decided to keep this dress. It's a very summery print. It's just not my favorite type of print. I really like the fit of this dress. It's a little bit low in the front, but the material reminds me more of like a summer dress. It's that lightweight, almost like see-through material, but I think it's really pretty. The belt, I don't care for the pattern on the belt. And it does have these like belt loops right here, but it also has a bit of elastic right here. So I think if you didn't want the belt, take the belt off and you could cut these. And then you've just got this cute little dress with like a bit of elastic. I think the length is really good to wear with sandals, which is good for me because I'm 5'8", and sometimes dresses can be like a tad bit short. So I like this. I mean, I don't need another black dress like this. I have a t-shirt dress, so it's a little bit different. It's not like the flowy sleeves and the V-neck. This is very comfortable. This gorgeous sweater, okay, first of all, how adorable is this for Valentine's Day? And not even just for Valentine's Day, because it's not Valentine's Day colors. This is such a lightweight sweater and looked adorable with jeans. It's the brand Geely in a size 2X, 3X, and this is called the J'adore long sleeve knit top. $53 is the price. I love this like raw hem on the bottom. I think that is so cute and just so different. This sweater is so cute. I love this on the front. It's like a yarn, almost like sewn into it, this like light purple color. I'm pretty sure this is a navy. Yeah, I think it's navy, not black. This at the bottom is really pretty. I think it adds something a little bit different to the sweater. So I like this down here at the bottom. I think it's really cute. I think it hits at a really cute spot. I think it could be such a fun sweater to wear Valentine's Day, really anytime. It is a pretty thin fabric, which I think is really good because that tells me you could wear it during the winter time, during the summertime, just like as a throw-on easy sweater, and it fits really well. I like the fit of it. I like that it's a little bit looser in the midsection and then has this band around the bottom. Let's just stick with like Valentine's vibes. How pretty is this like blush colored lace top? It is gorgeous. I love the color. I love the lace. This is from the brand Emerald in a size 3X. Now this one was a tad bit snug in the chest area, but it is long enough, and it did have a little bit of a flowy type look at the bottom, which I think is really flattering. So I think it's a really pretty option for Valentine's Day. It's very girly and very like, I don't know, like date night in my opinion. Let's talk about this one now. This one surprised me because it's not hoodie material, and I thought it would be because it's obviously a hoodie. First of all, I want to talk about how soft this is. This is such a, okay, maybe not that so much, but this part is such a soft material. And I like the muted floral, the like grays. It has a bit of maybe like light blue in it. I think it's really pretty. I like the contrast on the front versus the sleeves. You know, a lot of times you see florals on the sleeves and then the front is just plain. I kind of like the switch it up aspect of it. I didn't realize that it was this long, which I appreciate because that means you could wear it with like little workout leggings or something. It's also long in the back. It does have a bit of a dip right there that you can see. I think this size is really good. The only thing is it feels a little bit snug at the top, like it's, for some reason it's like catching and I can't get it to just relax itself. Now to my favorite thing and the very last thing. It is this MTS in a 1X navy and white striped cardigan, but it is short sleeves. Short sleeves with a cuff on top of that. I just paired this with a white tee because I thought that was probably the best option. This is so comfortable. It is so cute. It fits so well. I'm a little surprised looking at the tag that it's a 1X. I honestly thought that it would be a little bit bigger than that because of how it fits. So that tells me that this runs a little bit big, but I think I just love everything about it. And it has pockets. Here's my thoughts, and it's kind of the same as what I said in my Trunk Club video. Fashom, if you've never done it before, it's free. Your first styling is $0. I also have a special invite link. I'll put it down below. When you sign up, you get 10 bucks. So it's a free sign up, plus you get the 10 bucks. After that, I believe it's $15, but they do give you quite a bit of discount. You get 30% off if you keep all 5 items, and then 25% off if you keep 3 or 4 items, plus you get that $15 styling fee if you are already a member, credited toward whatever you choose to keep. So here's what I'm going to do. The only things I'm going to send back is the pink lace top, because I think that it's just a little bit too snug in the bust, and that black long dress. I don't need it. I've got one already, almost identical, pretty similar, from Cooper Road Collection. Had I not had that dress from Cooper Road Collection, I would probably end up keeping that black one because I do really like it and it's very lightweight. Final thoughts, I think it's worth it. $15 is the least expensive clothing subscription box that I get every single month. So it's definitely worth it. Plus, as you saw, you get these brands that you can't find in store. Yes, you can find similar things, but imagine if you had all 5 things that you wanted from different retailers, then you're paying, shipping charges to get each item, and it just comes out to be a little bit expensive in my opinion. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Links to everything, like I mentioned, are in the description box down below. If you like these types of videos, please give this one a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. I do have a Stitch Fix box coming, so we'll do the same thing with Stitch Fix. Let me know if you've tried Fashom, what your favorite pieces are, what you love, all of that fun stuff, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.